Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, May 15th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So coming into today, we had ES up to balance with the inside day, NQ firmly up, and righty in a 3-day balance after coming out of an inside day to the downside yesterday, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is their balance. Okay? Early this morning or overnight, we've attempted to take out yesterday's lows here, right? NQ traded down. Look at their overnight, right above where the lower distribution, the lower end of the upper distribution is for Monday, right? They never got into their single prints yesterday, okay? ES did. ES filled, but got rejected out of that lower distribution. Once again, though, they're trying here this morning. Now, again, it's very early. Overnight and pre-market does not mean anything yet, right? It's at 9:30 if we take out yesterday's low, if we have an inside day down. Remember, if we do come out of that inside day down, it's still balance. I would not call the daily down unless we really took out Monday's low and got into Friday's range pretty good, okay? We have a lot out at 8:30, which could change things dramatically between PPI, retail, retail sales, unemployment claims, and more importantly, out of all of them, Powell is speaking at 8:40 Eastern time. So we're going to have to see what transpires. Again, NQ is not consolidated at all. So if they take out yesterday's low, I don't see anything wrong with that. That would just be a little bit of consolidation. And even in ES, they come out of the inside day to the downside. We'll see how far they take it. Right? The market's not, it shouldn't go straight up. So any backfilling would be nice. And again, I said even a back test at some point of the 200-day moving average would be healthy, as long as they hold it, of course. Okay? Righty, like I said, we'll see if they come out of their 3-day balance and attempt to get into their gaps. Remember, they have a weekly gap from Thursday and a daily gap from Friday. All remains to be seen. Remember, we had very, very wide point of controls yesterday. Righty was perfect POC, 13 for 13. We were 11 wide in ES, 12 wide in NQ. What does that mean? Any acceptance back up here inside of value, you're going to go trade them. So just keep that in mind. So if you're a bear, you want to see a gap if we do have one hold, and probably even more important, not to get accepted back into value from yesterday if you're a bear. Okay? So basically, we want to use hump levels, right? Well, for the bulls, they want to defend Monday's low. That's your hump level in ES, NQ, and righty. The bears want to defend, well, first off, if they gap lower, but if they don't gap lower, value low. Plain and simple. That's the early levels to keep an eye on prior to 9:30. And then we'll see what happens at 8:30 where the overnight takes us. Okay? And then chart-wise, so here you go. It's an inside day. Doesn't stop the one-time framing right now. So technically, we're still one-time framing up for 5 days. 2 of those days, though, are inside days. 20, attempting to cross above the 50. Now, again, that doesn't mean much to me. It really doesn't. You know, the 20 is important at times because a lot of short-term traders use it. The 200 is the most important to me. You know, people can say, oh, that's bullish, the 20 crossing over the 50. Well, by the time it crosses over, look at the move we had already. So it's not that big a deal to me. Again, at some point, if we go down and test somewhere near the 200 and hold it, I think that would be a positive thing to go and get the all-time highs. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Remember, if you're going to join a prop firm, TraderFi, I have a link on all these videos in the morning and afternoon. Definitely the best one out there. I've been live with them, been trading. It's been a good experience. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.